who do photography, I like taking pictures. Take pictures of the scenery I see, share with more people. ZLL SG906 Max bring me a new visual experience. 3-axis mechanical gimbal for stable shooting let me be more inspired. Follow your own pace. Really enjoy the process. Feelings during travel is of great help to my own creation. All this to me can be regarded as a good memory. Carrying all my dreams, share it with everyone like a diary.
I'll tell you what I want a real fight, cause I come out on top. Your talk's all the same, player, please just stop. Save it for the game, now show me what you got. I can see the future with my head up high, like a plane and champagne with that humble pie. No excuses, just prove it. Throw it all down and let's do this. No excuses, just prove it. Throw it all down and let's do this. Ready, set, let's go. It's gonna be a show. Don't act like you don't know, cause I'm hungry for the fame and the throne. Ready, set, let's go. It's gonna be a show. Don't act like you don't know, cause I'm hungry for the fame and the throne. Ready.
SG906 Max with 120-degree forward obstacle avoidance function and rotating laser sensing radar. It works in multiple scenarios. In no strange environment, it can still give me a full sense of security. Let me know what is fearless and safe flight. Even when it comes to mirrors or low light at night, it's still easy to handle. 3-axis stabilized PTZ equipped with 4K HD camera create a cinematic film with EIS electronic anti-shake. It brings a brand new experience to be a photographer who captures every wonderful moment. For me, maybe that's what travel is all about.